Getting rid of blackheads might be trouble in the marrow for you, but what to do to get rid of blackheads or whiteheads naturally? Fast home remedy. Blackheads are little black skin projections that are commonly observed on the face, particularly on the nose, and occasionally on the back. These black projections produce a clog that obstructs the skin's sebaceous glands. They are caused by an excess of sebum, an oily material, produced by the sebaceous glands. When dead skin and germs come into contact with the gland, it gradually hardens. When sebum is exposed to oxygen in the air, it oxidizes and becomes black. They appear as white or yellow pimples below the pore opening and do not disappear. Whiteheads form as a result of oxidation. The following are the most common causes of blackheads: hormonal changes as a result of stress, succession, skin that is filthy, cosmetics, cigarette smoking, caffeine and alcohol. Follow these simple, natural methods for cleaning the pores and removing blackheads. Components readily available at home: tomato wash. Tomatoes are an excellent home treatment for blackhead removal. This fruit contains antibacterial qualities that help to dry up blackheads. Apply a little peeled and crushed tomato on the blackheads before going to bed. To sleep, allow it sit overnight, then wash your face with warm water in the morning. Lemon scrub. Another natural item that works well for treating blackheads is lemon. Squeeze a few drops of lemon juice into a dish, add salt, and whisk thoroughly. After washing your face with warm water, apply the mixture on the blackheads. After around 20 minutes, wash your face with warm water again. Apply a small coating of toothpaste to the blackheads and leave for 25 minutes. Then gently wash your face with warm water. To get rid of blackheads, repeat this method for 2 weeks. Honey contains antibacterial characteristics that help with both greasy skin and blackheads. After 15 minutes, apply honey to the afflicted region and rinse with warm water. Baking soda mask. Combine baking soda and water to produce a paste. Apply lightly to the afflicted area, wait a few minutes, and then rinse it off. Using warm water, remove the oil and debris that produce blackheads. Oats pack. A mixture of oatmeal and yogurt is beneficial to the skin and aids in the removal of blackheads. 2 tablespoons oats, 3 tablespoons yogurt, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Add olive oil to it. Thoroughly combine all of these ingredients until they form a paste. Apply the mixture to your face, let it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash it off with cold water. Raw eggs are a good home treatment for removing blackheads. Mix 1 to 2 egg whites with 1 tablespoon honey. Apply this combination to the blackheads, let for 30 minutes, and then wash off with warm water. The element of water. Cinnamon pack. Combine equal parts cinnamon powder and lime juice to make a cinnamon pack. Make a thick paste. Apply the paste to the afflicted areas and let on overnight before rinsing with water. In the morning, drink some warm water. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and advice.